Good morning guys, it's Vlogtober day 3. It's actually not more, 12:30. I'm running the dishwasher and I am taking out the excess washi from the subscription so I can package them and probably ship them by Monday. Watching The American Murder, The Family Next Door on Netflix. I've seen this one before. This is just the first time it's on Netflix now. I think the ID channel did it, or like Lifetime did it or something like that, but yeah, there's details here that I've never known before, so now I'm like rewatching it. I also have a package that arrived yesterday, so I'm gonna be on the floor. All right, so this is a package. I think there's another one arriving today. These are box 1 of 2. Yep, it's from Nicole Hutch Designs. All right, we got a shipment of 5x7 reusable sticker albums. The ones we have in the shop right now are these little ones. And you can see the size difference. I really like the little one though, just because it's compact. But if you have bigger stuff, I think this is great too. My little album drawer here is getting a little sad, so I have to like refill a lot of the stuff here. So I started another garbage bag. It's over here because it is Saturday and I do clean on Saturday, so I walked around the house, picked up, and that's a full garbage. Anyways, I'm gonna turn the camera around so I could show you what I am gonna be doing for the rest of the day. I am gonna go to Target and buy the command hooks. I found them there, and then a curtain rod. I just couldn't decide on what kind of curtain to get, whether if it's sheer or like a blackout. There's no need for it to be a blackout. I just don't want it to like see all the way through right away, and sheer is probably fine. But yeah, that's what's happening today. So let me turn you guys over and show you the situation that I'm dealing with. So over here, this is my, I don't know, organization. So most of the stuff I reach for the most are up here: pens, sticky notes, a lot of stuff I use for the shop. The second drawer is my planning drawer, so my Hobonichis are in there, the ones that I currently use. The third drawer is full of ink and extra cello bags. The fourth one is a dream, and I will show you guys a little sneak. It's my wax jar. I'm limiting myself to 1, but like yesterday you guys saw I ordered more, so I have to use up a lot of them. And then the bottom one right there, we're not opening it. You could tell that like it won't even shut. These are miscellaneous things that I need to go through, but I limit myself to 1 drawer. So when I say I limit myself to 1 drawer, there's more drawers of those kind of things now. There's one here, here, and here. So these are planners that I have to put away because I don't use them. I do still kind of like play with the blackout bujo. I really like it. My Jibun Techo's here. Some Prismacolor if I wanna color stuff, or what is that called, sketch. But a lot of these are planners and they need to go away. They need to be put in the closet where I store a lot of my planners that I don't normally use on a daily basis, because I could probably use this for something else shop wise. This one though is an organized mess. However, these don't belong here. A lot of the stuff back here are like Etna stuff for school, so I keep them handy. These are just like pouches and pouches of pens, and then extra phone, like those screens, and then some for our watch, and then my switch cases here. And it just found a home here, so I haven't touched it. So the ones that I really have to deal with is this one, and then that one. All right, we have a drawer here that I kind of have to organize. This is the sticker album one. Oh, 5x7 works standing up. All right, okay, we emptied the box. We are done. Oh my god, that got heavy. Alright, we changed outfits because we are headed to Target. I am just in my leggings, my Go Wild shirt that we got from Austin, and I need my purse and a mask. I have a mask in the car. I didn't realize how loud my my dishwasher is, so sorry. Alright, we're off to Target. I think I've gone to Target like 3 or 4 times this week already. I don't mean to. I really just want to stay home, but there's things that I can only get at Target, so that's why I'm over there. I don't know what you were singing. But I'm back from Target. I'm gonna hang the thing now. I have this rod to try. It says it's 48 inches and I just measured the width of the door. I should have done that before I left, but I didn't. This is the command thing I keep talking about. So my battery died and Etha's making fun of me. But yeah, it's 48 inches. I don't know where it got cut off. And then I was talking about the curtain. I got a sheer one because that's all I really need. I don't need it to be like a total cover. Can't reach it? Do you need that? I can't reach it. I need to steal it. Unscrew this. It's not even long enough yet. Maybe to hold it. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, wait. Huh? That's it. What? What are you laughing at? Are you laughing at my stick? Yes. Don't laugh at my stick. It's finally fixed. I switched it. I had it on the wrong side. Hello, my dear. And then I raised the hooks higher by like about 2 inches. So now it's like flush to the ground instead of like earlier when it was like hitting the ground. I'm happy, but I'm not mad about it either. Hello, child. Hello. So I just finished lunch and it's already like 3:30. I am gonna toss the garbage that I just started again. I got ink today, and then the second box that I was telling you guys, it arrived, oh my gosh, now, or just now. And I believe this is the 4x6 one, and I'm glad I made room because now I have room. And then I bought another container from Target that I'm gonna move a lot of the stuff that was here into the closet, because again, that front closet now is my planner storage and stock. She's so nice. She's always like very dependable for buys. So this is just the 4x6. Ta-da!
I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. Did you hear me go?
Yeah, I thought you opened the Pepsi.
I did it. I was really like coughing.
Oh wow.
What do you mean, oh wow? Alright guys, it's been a few hours since I hung up the curtains. I really like how it looks there. It's not as annoying as it used to be because the cabinetry in the kitchen is like pulling very, very warm compared to everything else over here. So it's not so bad anymore. I have a tiny bit of a headache right now because I melted these wax melts I found at Target and I should have known better. They are these, what is the word I'm looking for? Balsam. They're like pine tree scents, and I am obsessed with that specific scent. I will buy everything pine tree or balsam, and I am obsessed with the smell from Bed Bath & Beyond called Fresh Balsam also, I think. And I melted it and now I have this like pulsating headache and I'm not very happy. I have the boys in the band currently playing in the background, and it's starting to get really dark, but I have to still clean all of this mess here in the dining table to get ready for dinner. I found out that Schitt's Creek premiered a week before. Like, they announced it like back in September that they're gonna come out next Friday, but they're out today. I want to watch it, but that will be like the third time I'm watching it this year. I have to like reserve myself and keep it until Thanksgiving. That's when I said I'm gonna watch it again. But it's such a good show. If you guys haven't seen Schitt's Creek yet, I highly recommend it. The entire series is now on Netflix. Hey guys, it's now 8:47. We finished dinner about 2 hours ago, and now I'm just on my computer just checking my emails, and I'm glad I did because I normally don't check my emails on the weekends, and I have something I need to resend for Monday. I can't do it tomorrow obviously because it's Sunday, but I want to make sure I have it, which I do because this is something I didn't include in her order that she ordered for, so I need a replacement for it. I'm reading the email right behind the camera, so in case you guys are wondering what I'm looking at. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. So that's what we're gonna do, and then I have to plan out the videos that I really want to film, because I keep talking about me filming monthlies. That's just one video, and I need at least 4 so that every single week for the month of October I have an upload. September though, I went a little all out and had 2 to 3 uploads a week, but I need 4 videos this month to just make sure I am consistent with the uploads on top of the vlogs, because I figured there's daily vlogs going on and I don't really need to pad that with planner videos, but I have to at least do my usual planner videos. So one of them is, let's write that on Sunday. Alright, so that's literally what I wrote. So I'm getting really sleepy though, and it's only been like 5 minutes since I turned on the camera, and I still want to work for another hour and a half. The plan is right now is to finish this specific design, and I can't talk about it, but I have to finish it, print to make sure I have enough paper covered for it. All right, subs are printing, some are already over here, and then tomorrow all I need to do is cut like I said earlier, and I am good to go. I know it's a little bit uneventful because I did kind of take the day off from the shop during the day. Does that make sense? I did clean, so I still think I did a good job for the day. I was a little bit productive, but it was for home stuff. And then you're hearing it right now, I'm queuing print. I have to make sure though that there's still paper in there before I go to bed, and I also have to wash this hair because it's starting to get greasy. But yeah, so tomorrow we're gonna have to cut a lot of stuff, package the subs, and then we're gonna film. I promise. I'm really gonna film. But anyways, again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow.